Welcome back, Money Mavens. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of real estate investing. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a beginner looking to make your mark, this video is packed with valuable strategies to help you succeed. Get ready to unlock the potential of real estate and start building your wealth brick by brick. But first, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated on all things finance. Let's jump right in. Picture this, a tangible asset that not only appreciates in value but also generates passive income. That's the beauty of real estate investing. In this segment, we'll explore the key reasons why real estate should be a part of your investment portfolio. Before diving into the real estate market, it's essential to understand the different investment options available. From residential properties to commercial buildings and everything in between, we'll explore the various types of real estate investments and their potential returns. Success in real estate investing begins with thorough research and due diligence. In this segment, we'll discuss the crucial steps to take before making any investment decisions. From analyzing market trends to evaluating property performance, we'll equip you with the tools to make informed choices. One of the biggest hurdles for many aspiring real estate investors is financing. Fear not. In this segment, we'll explore various financing options, including traditional mortgages, hard money loans, and partnerships. You'll learn how to leverage other people's money and optimize your returns. Real estate investing isn't without its risks. However, with proper risk management and effective property management strategies, you can minimize potential pitfalls. We'll discuss the importance of insurance, tenant screening, and ongoing maintenance to ensure your investments remain profitable. Now that we have the foundation in place, it's time to explore different investment strategies. From buy and hold to fix and flip, rental properties to real estate investment trusts, REITs, we'll delve into each strategy's pros, cons, and the ideal scenarios for their implementation. And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive guide to real estate investing. Remember, success in this field requires patience, knowledge, and the willingness to adapt. Armed with these strategies and the determination to take action, you're on your way to building a solid financial future. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow aspiring investors. As always, feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Until next time, keep investing, keep growing, and keep chasing those real estate dreams.